Hey guys, it's Peter from my Bonza channel. The person you see on the screen is Sean Bratches. He's the wanker who let a bunch of radical feminists convince him to ban our beautiful grid girls. For that, he earns our Tool of the Week award. So, with just a wave of the wand, here you go Sean, for being a total tool and banning our girls. You have just won the Tool of the Week award, you weak-livered pussy, for letting a bunch of opinionated women sway your decision for banning our beautiful and talented grid girls. I hope you're happy. What you're seeing here, guys, is the Britain's Women's Sport Trust webpage. I just want to read you a little bit from it. It says, founded in 2012, Women's Sport Trust raises the visibility and increases the impact of women's sport through the promotion of diverse athlete role models, increasing media coverage and improving the funding landscape. We are a leading UK charity focused on using the power of sport to accelerate gender equality and stimulate social change. What the hell has that to do with our poor grid girls? How does banning them help gender equality? What are their rights of choice of employment? Sounds like a crock of shit to me. I was just thinking, guys, wouldn't it be great if today's news headlines had something more positive for all the Formula One fans? I was just mucking around with pen and paper and I came up with what would be my top 3 favourite headlines regarding the Formula Grid Girls. The first one would definitely have to be Formula One fans boycott Formula One. Could you imagine if there was no one going to Formula One because of the Grid Girls? How quickly they would reinstate them? Wouldn't that be something, really worthwhile? Our second headline, I reckon it'd be great if they had one that said, why is the Formula One bosses withhold sex until grid girls reinstated? It would never happen, but how cool would it be? Our third one is radical feminists disappear. Formula One fans say it's divine intervention for banning grid girls. Wouldn't the world be a better place? I reckon it would, for sure. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so that I can continue to post on YouTube and earn a little bit of income. I hope you have a great day and I hope to see you with my next video. Catch you later.